Hello and welcome to our channel where we unveil the latest strategies to revolutionize your sales game. I'm Jason and today we're diving deep into the world of AI and sales. So get ready to uncover how you can use ChatGPT, powered by OpenAI, to supercharge your sales efforts and close deals like never before. Imagine having a virtual sales assistant at your fingertips, available 24/7 and ready to help you craft compelling emails, answer customer queries, and even schedule meetings. No, it's not science fiction. It is the power of ChatGPT. And today we're going to show you how to unleash it for sales success. In this video, we'll explore how ChatGPT can be your secret weapon in the world of sales. And by the end of this, you'll be well equipped with actionable insights on how to leverage AI for a seamless sales experience. So let's dive right in with our first section, AI in sales, the game changer. Artificial intelligence is transforming the sales landscape. And by using AI-driven tools like ChatGPT, you can streamline your sales processes, personalize customer interactions, and free up time for high-value tasks. Companies like Zendesk and Intercom use AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries. And it's not just about automation, it's about delivering exceptional customer experiences. AI in sales is your secret to efficiency. Now let's explore the second section, crafting persuasive sales emails. Sales emails are your virtual handshake. And with ChatGPT, you can make that handshake unforgettable. This AI tool can help you craft persuasive, personalized emails that grab your prospect's attention. For example, ChatGPT can suggest engaging subject lines, provide data-driven insights, and even offer follow-up email ideas. It's like having a top-notch copywriter in your corner. Crafting persuasive sales emails with AI is your ticket to higher open rates and conversions. Moving on to the third section, personalizing customer interactions. Customers today expect personalization, and ChatGPT helps you meet those expectations. See, AI can analyze customer data and provide you with personalized insights to tailor your sales pitches. Tools like Salesforce, they use AI to predict customer preferences, making it easier to offer targeted solutions. Personalization is not just a buzzword, it's the key to building strong customer relationships. Personalizing customer interactions with AI is your formula for success. And let's discuss the fourth section, enhancing sales presentations. Your sales presentations should be compelling, and AI can make them stand out. ChatGPT can help you create dynamic presentations, suggest powerful visuals, and even provide real-time speech assistance. Apps like Canva and Lumen 5 use AI to enhance presentations, and it's about wowing your audience and leaving a lasting impression. Enhancing sales presentations with AI is your secret weapon for a winning pitch. Moving on to the fifth section, handling customer queries. Customer queries can come at any time, and with ChatGPT, you're always prepared. AI chatbots can assist in answering common questions, providing instant support, and freeing up your team's time. Big brands like Amazon and IBM use AI chatbots to handle customer queries efficiently. It's about being there for your customers when they need you most. Handling customer queries with AI is your round-the-clock support. All right, let's explore the sixth section, scheduling meetings and follow-ups. Scheduling meetings and follow-ups can be time-consuming, and AI-powered tools like ChatGPT can handle this task for you, helping you to find the perfect time for meetings, follow up with prospects, and send timely reminders. Apps like Calendly and HubSpot use AI to streamline scheduling. It's all about saving time and ensuring that no opportunity slips through the cracks. Scheduling meetings and follow-ups with AI is your productivity booster. And there you have it, how to use ChatGPT for sales success. AI is not just the future, it's here now, ready to elevate your sales game.
See B2B Rocket in action. Book a demo to explore how our AI agents engage with thousands of high-quality leads on autopilot. Discover the seamless integration of AI in lead identification, personalized interactions, and efficient meeting setups. Supercharge your sales and witness the future of B2B sales automation.